Up first this evening, we zoom in on the country's crime problem, the extent of the country's ballooning crime problem, that is. Now, it's understood that Cabinet was briefed today on the crime situation. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson and the Chief of Defense Staff, Rear Admiral Antoinette Weems-Gorman, made presentations. Now, the crime figures from the Jamaica Constabulary Force show murders up by 15.5%, with one parish recording as high as a 500% increase in homicides. The gravity of the crime wave since the start of 2022 was confirmed in the JCF's year-to-date serious crimes report, which compared crime numbers for January 1 to 23 this and last year. Of the 19 police divisions, 12 have recorded the same or more murders compared to the same period in 2021. Topping the list, Westmoreland. The division has seen a 500% increase in homicides, with 12 murders compared to 2 during the corresponding period last year. A zone of special operations was declared in parts of the division on January 16. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson said it was warranted based on last year's killings.
For 2021, Westmoreland accounted for 128 murders, an increase of 60% when compared to the corresponding period of 2020, which is the fourth highest number of murders recorded among all police divisions.
But since then, the murders have continued in other sections of the parish. The St. Catherine South Division has the second largest percentage increase, 175%, with 11 killings compared to 4 last year. But the St. James Division has the highest number of murders, overall 21. Trelawney recorded 3 killings, 2 more than last year, while Hanover has seen 2, 1 more than the corresponding period last year. The Kingston Eastern Division has seen a 50% increase in killings so far this year, moving from 6 murders over the period in 2021 to 9 this year. The Kingston Central Division, where Azoso was also set up in some parts this month, has recorded the same number of killings, 7 for the period in both years. 7 divisions have seen a reduction in murders so far this year. They include Kingston Western, 6, down from 10 last year, St. Andrews South, 8, down from 14, and St. Elizabeth, 1, compared to 4 in 2021. No murders have been recorded in Portland over the period, compared to 1 last year. In total, 112 people have been murdered so far this year, up from 97 in the same period last year. That's a 15.5% increase. At the same time, all other crimes have seen a reduction. There have been 14 fewer shooting incidents, a 65.3% reduction in reports of rape, robberies are down 2.9%, and break-ins down 28.3%.